discussed earlier in our previous video that above this level we have to look for buying opportunities with full quantity, but no such scenario appeared. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and we got one also. This whole zone, this small zone, was a no trade zone, and it will still remain a no trade zone. This level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and we got one. From here till here we have achieved 33 pips, and now I'll modify new support and resistances. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. This will be a no trade zone, NT zone. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, because now a W pattern will be formed, and we can look for a first target here, and second target will be above this level. Below this level you have to look for shorting opportunities. Once a retracement comes, then first time here, and if it consolidates and then gives downside momentum, then we can look for shorting opportunities. Else if it retraces, then it is better to avoid such trades. Okay, then retest this area. Okay, in Euro USD also, here we have achieved good points. This was whole a no trade zone. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities in half quantity. From here till here no such scenario appeared, and below this level achieved firstly 12 pips and then 38 pips. The problem is our trail SL got hit on 15 minutes. You can see we have gotten an entry here, and those who haven't taken, they should wait, because now wait for a good retracement, and the angle looks like it is bearish. And if it breaks, if it comes below this level, then we have to look for shorting opportunities and aim for this target. And if it closes above this level, then we can look for retracement, complete reversal. So I'll modify new support and resistances. Support and resistances have been modified. So below this level only we have to look for shorting opportunities, and above this level in half quantity, because trend is on the downside. And here we can look for shorting opportunities with this target, and this will be a no trade zone. Reason being, it is a volatile area and it may cause confusion. So same in USD also, this was a no trade zone. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and below this level where you can see on 15 minutes we have gotten an entry here. From here till here we have achieved easy money. From here till here 47 pips, and now I'll modify new support and resistance. Support and resistances have been modified. So below this level only we have to look for shorting opportunities. This whole zone will be a no trade zone. Okay, and above this level you have to look for buying opportunities, and it's looking like it will give a good bounce, but it's better to wait. Okay, once it gives close and gives a little consolidation, then we have to aim for this target. Okay, so in Bitcoin also I had told that above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and we got one also. Second thing which I told, from here till here we have achieved target, not till here, it retraced completely from here. And I had told that another scenario, that if you see a sudden down move, then you can aim for a V-shaped recovery, because chances are very high it will move. But I didn't expect it. I expected it to move a little bit on slowly, but it moved very fast, and a V-shaped recovery we got here. In this candle you can see I had told this type of pattern. It came downside and then a completely opposite move on the upside, and now it is consolidating. So I'll modify new support and resistances. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities from here till here. Then in here we can see how market is performing, and according to that we can take trade. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. This whole zone will be a no trade zone. Reason being, it might cause confusion, so it's better not to trade. And above this level we can expect a good upside move, take in half quantity, and once this zone crosses, then you can take in full quantity. Okay, in this level. So in gold also I told that above this level you have to look for buying opportunities in half quantity. The reason was this only. You see this reason, this whole region is very volatile, and it is moving very sideways move type of, and it is giving very sideways type of momentum. So it's better, this whole zone was a no trade zone. Above this level only we have to take trade in half quantity, and you can see it only moves 50% in that direction, gives and retraces completely. So now analysis will still remain the same, nothing major. The only thing is it's better to avoid in this zone and take in half quantity only. And only thing which can save you here is 3 SL a day, and better not trade in this zone or scalp only. Okay, do scalping, and it looks like it is making a head and shoulders type of pattern. Thank you.